Hi guys, in my previous video, I did about autoclave aerator concrete level floor. In this video, we apply installing clay bricks. Clay bricks are man-made materials that are widely used in building, civil engineering work, and landscape design. These bricks are made from clay by burning it at high temperatures. Clay bricks have a natural and warm color of burnt clay, permanent and resist fading. They can also be made into various textures to complement the exterior appearance of your home. The advantages of clay bricks are sound insulation, durable, low maintenance cost, and fire resistant. Now you know what is clay bricks, we will move on to how to calculate the quantity of clay bricks per meter square. Clay bricks come in the size of 250 mm times by 100 mm times by 65 cm. Firstly, you need to find the area of one brick. You need to include the mortar thickness in your calculation, which is 10 mm. So the dimension of the brick will need to add 5 mm on each side. We will use the formula area. So 0.225 m times by 0.075 m, you will get 0.0169 meter square. Then you divide 1 meter square with 0.0169 meter square. You will get 59 number. So for 1 meter square, there are 59 number of clay bricks. For example, your wall size is 5 meter length times by 3 meter height and the area is 15 meter square. You can get the quantity of the clay brick by multiplying 59 number per meter square with your wall area. You will get the answer 885 number. Now you know what is clay brick and how to measure the quantity needed for your works. Thank you for watching.